Hi there. So imagine you just found this lovely deal on Jiji.ng and you call up your friend to check it out. The only problem is that your friend doesn't have data on his or her phone. So actually that isn't a problem because you can actually transfer data to your loved ones and friends from all top network providers in Nigeria: MTN, Airtel, Glo, and Etisalat. And so here's how you do it. So number one, how to transfer data on MTN. With MTN, you need to have more than 10 MB of data in your account if you want to make a data transfer to another MTN number. To transfer data on MTN, simply dial *131*2# on your phone and follow the instructions presented on the screen. At some point, you'll be asked to enter a PIN for the operation, where you need to enter 0000 as your default PIN number. This can be changed later on. Number two, how to transfer data on Glo. Glo allows you to transfer data to any other Glo number by simply dialing *127*01* the phone number, then hash on your phone. 3. How to transfer data on Airtel. With Airtel, you can transfer any amount of data up to 2 GB to any other Airtel SIM card. You simply need to follow these steps to seamlessly make the transfer within minutes. 1. Dial *175*5# on your mobile phone. 2. Choose option 2, which is called Data Made to You. 3. Enter the number of the person you want to receive your data. 4. Enter the amount of data you want to transfer. 5. Click Send to finish the transfer process and exit the menu. Number 4. How to transfer data on 9mobile. To make a transfer via 9mobile, make sure you have over 100 MB of data in your account. Next, dial *229*, your PIN, the amount in MB, your friend's phone number, and then hash. Your end combination should look like this: *229*000*50*080768435928#. With this method, you can send anywhere between 10 MB and 50 MB up to 5 times a day, which will successfully cover the data needs of your friends. And so there you go. Remember, a friend in need is actually a friend indeed. And so if you love this video, we would like for you to subscribe by clicking on the subscription button below. We'd love for you to also click on that bell so you'll be alerted anytime we post new and insightful content that you would love. Kindly also follow us on all our social media platforms and visit us on Jiji.ng.